Now here we have to find out the missing angle. So same thing, first, identify your theta. Theta is this, which is x, and again keep in mind theta is an angle which is not right angle. Okay, so according to this theta, this side will be labeled as adjacent side, and this 15 is opposite to 90 degrees, so it is going to be hypotenuse. Again, we have three ratios, so ka toa. So we have to see which ratio has h and a, which is this side. That means we have to use cos. So C stands for cos theta equals a is adjacent, which is a this time, and hypotenuse is 15. Simply we have to solve it. Now we have to find out theta. So cos has moved to the side. When cos will move, it will convert into cos inverse 8 over 15. Now at this point we have to use calculator. To find out inverse, we have to use this shift sign. Press this shift, then you have to press cos. It will get cos inverse. And likewise, if you have to find out sine inverse, so press this shift and then press sine, you'll get sine inverse, and shift tan will give you tan inverse. Anyways, we need to use cos inverse, so I'm going to use shift this cos. So it is going to be 8 over 15, and don't forget to close this bracket, because it can give you sometimes wrong answers. All right, so when we'll click it to the equal sign, we get our answer. So 57.769. So I'm going to round it to 1 dp. It is going to be 57.8. So my theta is 57.8 degrees. Let's move to the next question. Now we have to deal this question again. We have to find out missing angle, the theta, which is here. This side have to label. This is going to be opposite side, and this phi is going to be hypotenuse. Again, we have three ratios. I'm going to write down. So ka toa. So which ratio has this O and H with opposite and hypotenuse? This is sine ratio. So S stands for sine theta equals opposite is 3.1, hypotenuse is 5. Theta, the sine has to move to the side. When it will move, it will be converted into sine inverse. 3.1 over 5. Use your calculator to find out the answer. So I need sine inverse. So shift sine 3.1 over 5. When I close the bracket and press, okay, 38.316. So I'm going to round it to 1 dp. It will be 38.3 degrees. So this is all for today. Take care. Bye bye.